learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
They've performed all over Taiwan and abroad in such major cities as Los Angeles, Houston, Vancouver, Toronto, Sydney, and more. Hsinchu's Hongru Band was formed in 2002 by a group of young musicians who love Hakka music. They're so young, the average age is in the 20s. Their diverse style is brought to life through the use of old and new instruments such as pipas, erhus, flutes, swona, keyboards, and drums. They have unique rearrangements that are a fusion between Western and Eastern styles, which gives them mass appeal for a global audience.
Hey, what's up? It's time for another edition of Talk About Hakka on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係Bingo Leo。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. Now, when we have We Love Hakka on the air, it could be about food, about culture, about proverbs, or music. 音乐也是我们常常会聊到的东西。
嘿，超卡，古手我今天就来介绍一个新竹的一个红炉乐团凤仪乐团。
凤仪乐团。
其实这个乐团它是一个蛮新的乐团，大概是在公元2002年成立的哦。他们的团员都是后生年都是年轻人呢。
后生年
是后生年，
跟我一样啦。
是
跟你一样
都一样。
Okay, so this is a fairly new band formed about 12 years ago, back in 2002, and they consist of a lot of 年轻人。
后生年。
后生年。That's people like me and Leo. That means young people.
他们的音乐当然啦，他们曲风其实还蛮广的，而且他们里面是中西合璧的哦。他们有用那种传统的国乐的部分啊，像琵琶啦、琵琶，还有呢弦呢，
这是哪个乐器？是
胡琴
哦，像二胡之类这种。
是
哦，弦呢，还
有他给。
这踏东西咯？
这不是踏东西，不是，它是用吹的
哦，笛子、
唢呐哦，
唢呐
是的
哦，这都很传统的乐器啊。
对啊。
Okay, so even though the group consists of a lot of young people and they do have fusion music of Western and Chinese music or Hakka music, but a lot of the instruments they use are very traditional, including what we call the pipa, the erhu, and the swona, which is kind of like a flute. Very nice. I want to go ahead and listen to their stuff. Go online and check them out. Google them, okay? 新竹的红炉乐团是吧？
凤仪乐团。
And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka and Sing About Hakka on FM 100.
什么大家？
俺只是张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.